Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another fun and simple Dollar Tree DIY for us. We're going to be making a glam coastal centerpiece. So what you'll need is you're going to need some hot glue. You're going to need some gemstones and or some diamond wrap. I'm not sure if I'll be using both or just one. You're going to need a silver tray or nickel tray from Dollar Tree. I have got some glitter here in silver, some silver paint, and I've also got some Mod Podge. In this bag, I have some of the white rocks. Like that. I've got two tea light holders. Two tea lights. And these are the battery operated kind from Dollar Tree. I've got one of these glass tea light holders. It comes in a pack of two, but you'll need one of these. I have got a pedestal or a taper candle holder here. And I've got one of these round globes. Now you don't have to use this shape. You can use any shape that you'd like for your centerpiece. I have got two of these gorgeous starfish tea light holders. I've got some masking tape, some florals of my choice. I'm using white, but you can use whatever color you like. You could use a beautiful blue and white color scheme on this. It would be beautiful for coastal. And I have got a paintbrush. And then I've got one of these little styrofoam balls here. And you can pick these up at Dollar Tree in a pack of 3. And these are the items that we'll need to get this project completed. So let's get started. And I did want to mention one other thing. I may end up using a little bit of silver spray paint in the center of this. And I may do a burst of spray paint in the center of this, or possibly this paint. So you'll see that as we go along. So let's get started. So I'm going to get started by taping off the flame portion of these tea lights. And I've got 5 tea lights here, but you can certainly do as many tea lights as you want for your centerpiece. I'm just going to tape it off really quickly so that I don't get any paint and glitter on it. Just going to mix some Mod Podge and paint together. And I think now I'm going to go ahead and start playing around adding some gemstones and diamond wrap to this bowl here. And here I'm going to go ahead and add some loose gemstones around the diamond wrap like this, so you can kind of see what I'm doing here. And I'm just putting a little dollop of hot glue. Now this has been sprayed on the inside with some silver spray paint. And so I'm just going to go ahead and bling this out by adding some gemstones to the base of this as well. And now I'm just going to add some gemstones around the very base of this, well, all over this tea light holder. I'm just going to add gemstones all around. And now that I'm waiting on the other painted pieces to dry, I'm going to go ahead and get started on creating the floral part of the centerpiece. So I've got some white flowers here, and they've been cut down to about a 2-inch stem, and then one of these little floral balls. And I'm just going to start putting the flowers in, and I'm just going to leave a little bit like this on the side to create like a little brace when I get ready to put it on top of the vase so it doesn't fall down inside. As often happens, I will change my mind about some of the items that I'm going to be using to complete a project. In this case, I've decided I'm not going to be using the white rocks. I am going to use instead these clear glass beads. Now, how beautiful is that, you guys? Isn't that stunning? Absolutely beautiful. Now let's decorate with this. Well, there you have it, guys. A simple, beautiful glam DIY project. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. I'd like to thank each of you for stopping by Cozy Casita. You're always welcome. If you like these kinds of DIYs, share them with your friends. And also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.